Hi, myself Anjana, UR15CS0401. Today I am going to do my 7th experiment, which is virtual LAN. For doing virtual LAN, we have two types of LAN here. One is intra-LAN and inter-LAN. Intra-LAN we are only using the switches, and it is the connection between only within that same LAN. And inter-LAN is that we have a router, and we have the connection between each LAN and also with the different LANs. So first we will be talking about intra. Intra we are actually using access mode, which is only usable between the same two PCs, and in intra-LAN we will be only connecting between these two LANs, and no, this connection between other two LANs will not be allowed. Actually, we have three LANs here. These two PCs consist of VLAN 10, that is named as CSE, and these two PCs is given as VLAN 20, that is named as IT, and these two PCs are given as VLAN 30 as MPA. And for giving these names, we have the command as after configity we will be giving this VLAN 10 and name CSE, VLAN 20 name IT, VLAN 30 and MPA. Then the VLAN will be get the names, and each pieces we will be giving the IP individually, and this will be giving the IP as 190.160.10.1, 10.2. Here it will be 20.1, 20.2. Here it will be 30.1, 30.2, and each is separate VLANs. And if routing in the switches, we will be doing as we will be first taking this port number, and we will be giving in that port number and switch port access mode and switch port access LAN V10. So for these two pieces we will be giving VLAN 10, and these two pieces we will be giving VLAN 20, and these two pieces we will be giving VLAN 30. Same commands, only changes in that VLAN 10, 20 and 30. So after this giving the commands and everything we have to given for this PC will get over. Sorry, this configuration will get over. So now we will try. As I said earlier, intra means it will be connecting only between the same LANs. So it is VLAN 10, and I will be trying to connect between that two pieces. Its status is giving us successful. And intra should not support the connections between two different LANs. So I will be trying from this LAN 10 to LAN 30. As you can see, it's getting filled. Actually, this is the connection of intra VLAN. Actually, it should only connect with the same LANs or within the LANs, but it should not connect between two LANs. So that's all about intra, and we will be moving about inter. For inter, we have a special router here, so that here also we have connected 6 PCs of 2 pieces of one LAN, and this is of 10, 20 and 30. Whatever commands we are given in intra should be given in inter also, because we should have to connect the same pieces of the pieces of same LANs, so that we will be giving the names first for this all LANs, and after that we will be giving switch port mode access, VLAN 10 for this both PCs, 20 for this both PCs and 30 for this two PCs. After that, in the switch we have to give one more command, that is trunk. Trunk means we will be using that in inter VLAN, that is a mode that will allow multiple VLANs to pass. So here we have a router and we have only one switch, but we have 6 PCs which is consisting of different LANs. So that to pass all the data of the different VLANs, so we will be having a trunk mode here. For that we will be giving a command as int and this port number, and we will be giving switch port mode trunk, and after we will be giving switch port allowed VLAN 10, 20 and 30. So from the comments we have been clear that we will be giving this allowing this 3 LANs to pass through this this way. So here we have a router. In the router also we have to give the configuration. That means we have to give separate IP addresses for all these 3 LANs. So that we will be giving a command as, and we will be giving this router name, and we will be giving encapsulation .iq and 10 for these two PCs, and the IP address we are giving will be 192.168.10.250 4 and we will be giving the subnet marks. So that what we are giving this IP address, that will be this two PCs gateway, and for this two pieces we will be giving 20.254 and these two pieces we will be giving 30.254, and we have to give this three commands separately in the router so that it can these three different LANs can access the same router. Then we will ping it and show you. This is a PC of LAN 30 and this is a PC of LAN 10. It's getting pinged successfully, and when we are trying it with the same LAN PCs also, it should get successful. You can see everything is getting successful. Every PCs are interconnected, so that is the main purpose of interLAN, that same pieces of same LAN and pieces of different LAN should be connected, and here in this interLAN is getting connected, and in intra-LAN it will be connecting only within the VLANs, but in interLAN it will be connecting between different VLANs also. So that's all for my experiment. Thank you.